What's up, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. It's gonna be my first attempt at vlogging. We're gonna make a trip up to Fort Worth this weekend. Let's go.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel it tension.
Made it to the Airbnb. Let's give a little Airbnb walkthrough here. Kitchen here, nice little kitchen. Bedroom. Cool view of the post office. It's the first time I've been to this part of downtown Fort Worth. We'll explore that with the drone a little bit later. Bathroom. And back to the kitchen. And the living room. So, the marvelous Anna found a sandwich shop nearby in downtown. We're gonna go get some sandwiches. A place called the Little Red Wasp. We'll see what this turns out as. Just got through with dinner at the Little Red Wasp. Highly recommend it. We ended up going with the salads instead of sandwiches, but if you're in Fort Worth and looking for a quick meal, it's a really good spot. We're about to head out to Globe Rock Stadium in Arlington, go to a Texas Rangers game. Probably come back here, who knows what we'll get into. You'll probably see some footage to the stadium, but if I forget to transfer this off, we'll see you in the morning. We got back last night about 10 o'clock from the ball game, went out to explore a little bit of downtown Fort Worth nightlife. So this morning, now that I'm recovered, we're gonna go out and put the drone in the sky and see what we can find up here. Come up here to the parking garage because that's the easiest and most open area to put it in the sky, and I think this will be a good home base. Okay, we're all clear in air map. Now I'm gonna go check out a coffee shop that's in the building that our Airbnb's at, so you can get some coffee. You can always take some more coffee. coffee shop was pretty cool. We got some breakfast tacos and some coffee, hung around a little while. We're about to go check out the buildings over here across the street from where we're staying, the post office and some what appears to be like abandoned warehouses, office buildings. I'm sure some more drone footage will pop up, since that's sort of what I do. So y'all check this out. This is a pretty cool building here. Looks like it's probably been abandoned for a while. I'm gonna go out here and get in the shade, find a spot that I can put the drone in the air and get some aerial footage of this building because it's cool. It's called the TMP Warehouse Building. It's 84 years old. It's now on the Texas Endangered Buildings list. We're gonna go head over to the post office and explore the old post office. So it's still an active post office. Beautiful architecture. And look, it's even a fallout shelter. Let's go inside. So it's a really cool building here. Let's take a little stroll around. Of course closed because this is a Sunday, but the main common area is still open. It's almost like walking back in time. So we've left Fort Worth for a little bit. We're about 20 miles outside of Oklahoma. We found out about the world's biggest casino on the border of Oklahoma and Texas, so we're headed there to check it out. So we're on our way to the casino. We're right near the Oklahoma-Texas border at the Red River. So I got the idea, of course, the drone needed to be put in the air. And what do you know, there happens to be a train bridge. So let's go see if we can get some drone footage of this.
I once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. I felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up.
It's time to head on to the casino. See you when we get there.
Stood there all wide-eyed, you and I floating on air in my mind. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding.
So we made it to the Winstar Casino. We're gonna go in and take a look around. We're not carrying the big camera, so I'm gonna roll with the phone, get a little bit of footage, and try not to get thrown out. Made a whole $5, but didn't lose anything. We're gonna call it a night. We'll pick it back up in the morning.